Hi friends! I'm going to read you a book today called Don't Throw That Away. Okay? Let's see. Wow, look at all of this trash. Did you know that you don't have to throw it all away? Do you see all of this paper, plastic, metal, and glass? You can recycle these objects and turn them into something new again. Let's see what there is. Or you can keep that trash and reuse it in all kinds of wonderful ways. Do you see that old jar? Don't throw it away. You can turn it into a new vase. What's inside? Flowers. Yeah, you can put flowers in there. Look at that old jug. Don't throw that away. You can turn it into a new bird feeder. Look, if the birds are hungry, you can put some food inside and then they can eat from it. Collect all those used cans in your house, but don't throw them away. You can turn them into new instruments. You can bang them like drums, or they can clank against each other and make their own types of sounds. Do your parents have old clothes that they don't wear anymore? Or do you have clothes you don't wear anymore? Don't throw them away. You can turn them into new costumes. Ooh, look. This little cat's a pirate. And if you have an old box, don't throw that away either. You can turn it into a cool new car. Ooh. Look at that. All right, friends, the end. This book was about recycling and reusing things. So reusing means using it again. Okay? I hope you liked the book. Bye.